Lesson 41. Peter likes to sing, but his wife Karen doesn't like his singing.
Stop making that noise!
What noise?
That terrible noise!
I'm not making a noise. I'm singing.
Well, stop that singing. I hear too much singing.
What's wrong with singing? I like singing.
And I don't like listening to you.
Well, stop listening.
Anyway, hurry up and finish shaving. Mr. Jones will be here soon.
What did you say?
Mr. Jones will be here.
Who?
Mr. Jones. You want to talk to him?
I hate talking to Mr. Jones.
But he's very rich. Perhaps he'll lend you the money.
Oh, stop worrying about the money. You worry too much.
I hate borrowing money.
You're not borrowing the money. I'm borrowing it.
Why do you want the money anyway?
Oh, stop asking questions. You ask too many questions.
And you finish shaving.
Oh, all right.
Stop making that noise!
I shall get you,
Hurry up, Peter.
What did you say?
Hurry up and finish shaving. It's Mr.
Me.
Jones. I'll hang your coat up here, Mr. Jones. Do sit down, Mr. Jones. My husband will be here in a moment.
I hate waiting.
Ah, here he is now.
Hello, Mr. Jones. How are you? I'm very well. You're a very rich man, Mr. Jones. Is that true?
Yes, that's true.
Good. I want to borrow some money.
I hate lending money.
And I hate borrowing money.
Stop worrying, Karen. Mr. Jones will get his money back. Stop worrying, Mr. Jones. You'll get your money back.
Why do you want this money?
I'm going to make a record.
A record?
Yes,
Oh,
I'm a
no.
great singer. Everyone will buy my record. Listen. Rock-a-bye, my baby.
Oh, stop
What
singing.
is
Stop that noise.
I hate listening to records.
Stop
Where's
singing.
my coat?
Oh, come back, Mr. Jones. Stop singing, Peter. Mr. Jones.
Lesson 41. Drill 1.
Listen to the examples.
Do you like drinking coffee?
Oh, I love drinking coffee.
What about tea?
I hate drinking tea.
Do you like smoking cigarettes?
Oh, I love smoking cigarettes.
What about cigars?
I hate smoking cigars.
Now you answer. Do you like drinking coffee?
Oh, I love drinking coffee.
What about tea?
I hate drinking tea.
Do you like smoking cigarettes?
Oh, I love smoking cigarettes.
What about cigars?
I hate smoking cigars.
Do you like driving to the office?
Oh, I love driving to the office.
What about walking?
Oh, I hate walking to the office. Lesson 41, Drill 2.
Listen to the examples.
I love drinking coffee.
You drink too much coffee. I love eating bananas.
You eat too many bananas.
Now you answer.
I love drinking coffee.
You drink too much coffee. I love eating bananas.
You eat too many bananas. I love eating bread.
You eat too much bread. I love eating oranges.
You eat too many oranges. I love drinking tea.
You drink too much tea. I love smoking cigarettes.
You smoke too many cigarettes.
Lesson 41, Drill 3.
Listen to the examples.
She hates eating bread.
Yes, she doesn't eat enough bread. He hates spending money.
Yes, he doesn't spend enough money.
Now you.
She hates eating bread.
Yes, she doesn't eat enough bread. He hates spending money.
Yes, he doesn't spend enough money.
She hates eating chocolate.
Yes, she doesn't eat enough chocolate.
He hates sleeping at night.
Yes, he doesn't sleep enough. She hates walking.
Yes, she doesn't walk enough.
Stop worrying about tomorrow. Start thinking about today. Think of something you like doing, and your troubles will fly away.
I like singing happy songs.
I like playing my guitar.
She likes walking in the rain.
He likes looking at the stars.
Start thinking about the present. Forget about yesterday. Think of something you like doing, and your troubles will fly away.